Knight Abbey was started in 1980 by my father. I'm a second generation. We started in downtown Biloxi in like a little small mom and pop shop with about 4 employees. We were there for about 35 years. We moved over to a Toys R Us building about 4 or 5 years ago. We have about 63 people on staff right now here at Knight Abbey. So before the Mueller Martini, we were doing about 1 million saddle stitch books a year. Since we've put the Mueller Martini on the floor, we're still in the infancy stages, but we're about 7 million for the year. The problem we had was we were turning away a lot of work. We don't like to say no, so that investment has opened up a lot of doors for us so that we're looking forward to pretty much going to double or triple those numbers in the next year.
I had customers who wanted to do variable data books that stitch. And we've gone from literally kind of not being able to do it to now we can do it without even sweating. And it's been an unbelievable product in our building.
So some of the advantages of the Prinova from an operating standpoint, it's very template oriented and it's got a fast make ready. So you don't really need that skilled level like you do in a traditional old stitcher.
So the Prinova, it has this unique ability that it can take every page and make it variable. Whether you like red, or green, or blue, or orange, or purple, it doesn't make any difference. Keep it in postal order. And my customers have seen it and they go, oh my God, that would take me forever to proof this correctly. So we can't do it. So we can only do 4 of the pages, not all 12 or not all 16.
We have thoroughly enjoyed having the Mueller on the floor. It has been a really big asset for us as far as being able to do much bigger quantities and being able to do them in a variable data background. And so it's given us the ability to offer our customers something new and the way that they can reach their customers in a more effective way through personalization in a very large scale of quantity, which is something we weren't able to offer before.
Mueller Martini has been a phenomenal partner for us, which is so important. Their staff came in, they held our hands, they trained us. If we didn't get it, they were back in this building. If we still didn't get it, they were back in the building again. They honestly did whatever it took to make sure we were successful. The Prinova Digital has strengthened our position in the market because it gives us that ability to grow with a lot of variable booklets. It's opened up a lot of doors for us. We're super excited. We got several meetings lined up and it's exciting to have those conversations and not have to say no anymore.